My name is Ishani.
My name is Akshat.
Welcome to
And Fun Time with Ishani and Akshat.
Today we are going to do chocolate box unboxing. The chocolate box is inside this bag. Let's open it. I've opened this box and now I'm going to show you. There are 4 things in it. Now I'm going to show you the chocolate box.
My
There are
goodness,
5
I never got so much chocolates in my life. So
let's see what is in here. So our first chocolate, it's sweet thing, is cupcakes. So we're going to taste a little bit. One is with the dry fruits, one is without dry fruits. Let's taste the one without dry fruits. A little bit cupcake. So
and it's finally open.
little bit actually you can get because of mama won't let us have all of it. Little bit I will taste.
So much good.
So next we are going to unbox these amazing toffees. So there's pink, as you can see. There's this black one. The wrapper is black, and the orange one.
I think
Let's
I'll eat
unbox
the
it.
black ones first.
As you can see here, they are a bit melted because of the sun. We need to keep them in the freezer. But anyways, let's eat them. Guys, there was some chunky parts in the chocolate and it was really nice. It was a very different type
And
of
see this chocolate mug didn't go.
It was very chocolate. So this chocolate was very nice even if it was melted. And now 2 chocolates are left to show you.
This one.
Guys, we are going to show you the special chocolate.
Which are our favorites.
Yes, our favorite. In the end, we haven't ate them yet. We haven't unboxed them.
So-
And this is the first time I'm unboxing it in front of you. So first we're going to unbox the chocolate biscuit. I think these are common. They're looking nice.
But they're
Let's open them.
tasty.
So guys, this is our chocolate biscuit. We are only going to take one. So I'm going to take a little bite and then I'm going to give the rest to Akshat.
You ate all the chocolate chips and don't.
What? They are nice, but honestly,
You're no chocolate level.
the toffees were better. We can take the toffee, the chocolate syrup and put it on the cupcake. They are nice, but the toffees were better. I'm not saying they're not good, but the toffees were better. They are common, like we have ate them before. These toffee and
I'm very
cupcake-
better.
Cupcake, maybe we might have ate it before, but the toffees are really new. We didn't eat them before, but the biscuit is common.
This is our favorite one.
It's time to show you our favorite chocolate.
The guys.
So we will show you our favorite box of chocolate after Akshat finishes eating his biscuit. Akshat is chewing his biscuit. Now we're going to show you our most favorite chocolates. Yeah, these chocolates. They're looking like chocolate balls. They're chocolate balls. There's so many. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, they're so nice.
Idea. 5, 4. I can have. You can have.
Now, keep this back. We don't want to have too many. We are only going to eat one. They're going to
And
eat
after
4.
this video, I'm going to have chocolate spread.
Our mama doesn't let us have. Our mama gave us this permission for eating little bit for the video. She won't let us have the chocolate. She'll let us have one by one.
I'll just take
Your mama also never lets you have chocolate. So let's unbox it. I wish you could also do it.
with us.
No, I don't take. Okay.
She took half of it.
So guys, this chocolate was nice, but it was really sticky. It was sticky.
So
Its flavor was very unexpected. We were expecting chocolatey, but from inside it had something else.
Inside, I think
From outside it was chocolate. From inside it was something sticky, not
I
like
shouldn't
something
lick.
sweet.
I shouldn't have taken a big bite.
Yes, we took a really big bite. It was.
Couldn't you tell me
really
before
sticky.
it was very sticky? Both of our guys, I also have sticky. See, can see it.
So yes, it was a nice chocolate. So guys, my favorite was the candy. What was your favorite? The chocolate. The chocolate candy was the most chocolatey. It's so.
Maybe you can have muffins since muffins.
So now we are going
But
to
you have
put
muffins
this chocolate box back into this bag and hope you like this video. Bye.